Change is in your hands. Experience the future of insulation with Lanaé from Saint-Gobain, an advanced and more comfortable to install insulation. Gentle on your hands, virtually dust-free and odorless, Lanaé improves the experience for everyone involved, from specification to installation. Thanks to a new biosourced binder, Lanaé's unique creamy color sets it apart, marking a significant advancement in glass wool insulation. Lanaé complies with the high performance and highest indoor air quality standards, proudly earning Eurofin's Indoor Air Comfort Gold certification. This next generation of glass wool insulation reflects our commitment to you, our customers. We prioritize your well-being by developing products that are gentle on your hands, exceptional in performance and quality, all while minimizing environmental impact. Lanaé is an invisible but powerful ally for our living spaces. With Lanaé, Saint-Gobain continues to lead the way in providing solutions to improve our quality of life. By choosing Lanaé, you are choosing an advanced and more comfortable to install insulation. And you are taking a step towards a more sustainable future. Everywhere, every day, we care about building better for people and the planet to make the world a better home.